One of the key elements in the 7RD2 course design process is readings. Reading is one of the 7 elements for each unit in the course. The unit starts with the objectives for that unit, and then the faculty puts together a list of readings. Those readings to make the best use of the time to understand the unit topics. Now, the best way to put together the readings is to go to the course map at a glance, and then once you have specified each topic for each unit and the objectives for the units, list the readings in here. You start with the unit objectives after you have looked at the course objectives, because the unit objectives need to be aligned with the course objectives, and then you'd list the readings in here as part of the unit. Those readings can be chapters from a commercial textbook, or they can be links to the library or articles on the web. If they are articles of any sort, then you can post the URL in here. Then once the course has been put together, the readings would look something like this. So for example, we have Unit 1, Understanding the Leadership Challenges in Complex Environments. And if we click here on 1.1, this includes the readings for that week along with the objectives. So this is built from the course map, and typically the Office of Distance Education puts this together for the course developer. So in this case, we have the required readings from the textbook, and it would be chapters 1 through 3. And then if we go to a different unit, here we have a case where the students are reading from the textbook and chapters 4 and 5, but then there is also a link to a library resource related to the objectives for this particular unit. As you contemplate the readings for the students, it's important that they be aligned again with the objectives for that unit. And you don't want to overload to make too burdensome for the students to complete the readings. So it has to be something that will effectively help them understand those objectives for that particular unit. So as the course developer, all you have to do as part of the course planning is simply list the readings as part of the course map.